Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to change navigation mode, that means gesture or button, in your Google Pixel 7a or Google Pixel phones. So it is very simple. Simply swipe up the screen for the menu. Okay. After that, go to Settings application. You can see here. Then select Display and Touch. Okay. After that, just swipe up the screen for navigation mode. Open navigation mode. You can see here. Currently, it is on gesture navigation. And the second one is 3-button navigation. Click on that 3-button navigation for selecting. After that, you can see here the bottom of the page there is 3 buttons, and you can simply click that triangle for going back, and middle circle for home button, and square button for recent applications and switch between applications. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.